Hello, everyone, and welcome to our journey as we discover the world of beautiful paintings. I'm Kshitija.
And this is Bodhi. Today's painting is super special for us because it's our very first BTS artwork. As proud armies ourselves, we are so excited to share it with all of our army chingus. As we dive in, a friendly reminder to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our future content. And if you find this content helpful, please feel free to share it with others.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please let us know in the comments if you want us to try any painting or if you have any painting tutorial requests. See you soon.